Subcompact SUVs feed a hunger for space, affordability, and a certain sense of belonging since almost everyone drives an SUV these days. Among 20 other competitors, the Volkswagen Taos quenches an additional, more recent consumer craving for parsimonious fuel economy. Available in front or all-wheel drive, every Taos hums along getting exemplary real-world fuel mileage thanks to a stingy, 158 horsepower 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. The Taos doesn't offer a hitch to tow with. So we'd suggest moving up to the larger Tiguan SUV for that, but there's plenty of cargo space inside, even with the rear seats in use, to easily handle grocery duty. It's a close fight among the best in this class, so the Tiguan's low starting price and capacious cockpit make it a tempting choice among others such as the Kia Seltos and Chevrolet Trailblazer. Beating its EPA estimate by 4 miles per gallon, an all-wheel drive Taos SAL we tested managed an awesome 40 miles per gallon during our 200-mile, 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test loop. Copious amounts of interior plastic help keep the Taos price down while making the more richly appointed Mazda CX-30 cabin feel like a miniature luxury condo in comparison with the VW. What's new for 2023? VW's smallest crossover doesn't undergo much change for 2023, but it does receive a few equipment enhancements. Volkswagen adds driver assistance features such as forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking and pedestrian monitoring, blind spot monitor, and rear traffic alert as standard equipment across all trims. The base S gets 18-inch wheels, instead of 17 inches, on all-wheel drive models. Lastly, SAL now get a fancy panoramic sunroof as standard equipment. We recommend the mid-level SA model because it provides the best value. It comes standard with 18-inch wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, remote start, and wireless charging. We'd add all-wheel drive for an extra $1,450, largely because it replaces the front drive model's rear suspension with a more sophisticated independent unit. We'd also opt for the IQ Drive and SA convenience packages that add adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, a heated steering wheel, lane keeping assist, and rain-sensing windshield wipers. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Taos is powered by VW's new turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. It makes 158 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. Front drive versions feature an 8-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive models have a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. The front drive and all-wheel drive Taos also have different rear suspensions, with the former using a torsion beam setup and the latter using a more sophisticated multi-link design. During our testing, the acceleration difference between the two different drivetrains was negligible, with the front-wheel drive Taos beating the 4Motion to 60 miles per hour by only a tenth of a second. A set of 17-inch wheels are standard, but 18 and 19 inches are also available. We appreciated the engine's low-speed thrust, the 8-speed automatic's unobtrusive operation, and the suspension's composure on even roads during our time with one. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The front-drive Taos is rated at 28 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. And the all-wheel drive model is rated at 25 miles per gallon city and 32 highway. On our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, the front-wheel drive Taos earned an impressive 40 miles per gallon, while the 4Motion all-wheel drive Taos achieved 33 miles per gallon. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, there's nothing overtly special about the Taos. The design and materials mimic the modern aesthetic found on other VW models. A fully digital gauge cluster is fitted to every dashboard and the standard two-tone seats are covered in cloth. However, leatherette and leather upholstery are both available, too. There's no shortage of popular options, either. The Taos cabin can be equipped with customizable ambient lighting, an 8-way power driver's seat, dual-zone climate control, a heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated front seats, and a panoramic sunroof. The Taos boasts 37.9 inches of rear seat legroom, which is only 0.8 inch less than the two-row Tiguan. The Taos also has 28 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seatbacks and 66 cubes with them folded flat.